What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be showing you guys how to replace the rear taillight bulb and the taillight assembly on your Dodge Charger. Take out the things you have inside of the trunk so you don't damage the trunk inner carpet trim when pulling it out. I guess you could skip this part if you don't mind bending the carpet trim. Remove the plastic retainer securing the inner carpet trim and remove one plastic knob. Pull back the carpet trim to gain access to the rest of the plastic knobs. Remove the connector by pushing the red tab to the right and then squeezing the connector tab while pulling it outwards. I purchased this taillight assembly from Amazon and it doesn't come with the light bulb wiring harness, so I have to use the old one. And if you're doing the same and you have the taillight assembly out, you might as well replace all the light bulbs. You don't want to do this job twice. I use some 3M tape to keep the harness connector in place. Install the taillight assembly and make sure that all the lights are working.
Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button. Consider not subscribing because I don't really be working on Dodge Chargers like that. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.